Hello, I am Giria and my company name is Savera Pipe Private Limited. We manufacture different kinds of pipes, electrical wire which are used in construction, industrial and domestic sector. Yeah, we have a lot of range in our portfolio. You don't find so many products manufactured in under one head. We are quite consistent. The company is 25-30 years old and we have been delivering our product very timely in quantity and at a very competitive rate. It's a great feeling being a local manufacturer and exhibition here. We find it very lively to interact with other people also, seeing other manufacturers. They give us inspiration to do much better. We are doing it still much better. Thank you. He's my brother. You can talk to him also.
Yeah, hi, I'm Vineet Giria here. We are into manufacturing these PVC pipes for last 25 years. We are well known as Champion Pipes, as our brand is Champion, and you can find in every hardware shop these Champion pipes are available. We are into manufacturing all the kind of garden, section, braided, cables, all our domestic products. This is a beautiful platform where we will be able to interact with a lot of our customers physically, as now the digital concept has come up and we don't find any kind of personal touch with the kind of customers. Here is a base where we connect emotionally as well as physically with our customers who want to talk to us desperately, because they only nowadays they talk to us through chatting or through some media ways, but physical talking and meeting in personal is something beyond which helps us to develop a relationship that goes long. No, we have here two manufacturing units. One is in Suraram village and one is in Konkana village, and we still have some more expansion programs. Okay, and also Telangana being such a big hub, and the construction sector is growing, and the PVC is taking up the new shape, and PVC is it is so dominating everywhere. The future will be PVC industry and we are in right track. Thank you so much.